Hi, I'm Alessio. Here in Braceria Pugliese, we aim to preserve the Italian restaurant tradition in Shenzhen. It's a family-run business by my father Angelo and me for the last 15 years. And I'm very happy to introduce you today to our new restaurant in Nanshan.
If you ask any Italian kid what is his favorite kind of pasta, they will probably answer you that is gnocchi. In this video, with the help of Alessio and his team, we will pair the gnocchi with a sauce with gorgonzola and mascarpone. Today, Daily Needs came up with a pack suitable for a family of 4 or 5 people. That includes 1 kilo of gnocchi, 350 grams of Italian gorgonzola, 250 grams of mascarpone, 1 liter of Italian milk, and 250 grams of Grana Padano cube. Now, enough talking, let's move to the kitchen to cook our gnocchi.
Put salt in the water and boil it. In a pan, add 1 teaspoon mascarpone cheese, 3 teaspoons of milk, 50 grams of gorgonzola cheese. Let the ingredients nicely melt on a low fire. Add salt and pepper if needed. When the water is boiling, put the gnocchi in the water. After a few minutes, when the gnocchi come to surface, drain the gnocchi. Stir the gnocchi with the sauce. Plate the gnocchi, add some thinly chopped parsley and grate some Parmesan cheese on top. Your gorgonzola gnocchi are ready to be served.
Alessio, grazie mille for hosting us in your new restaurant. It was a pleasure to cook with you such an iconic Italian recipe.
It's all our pleasure, and thank you very much. And I hope to see you guys very soon in our new menu as well.
I really cannot wait anymore. I really have to try this gnocchi.
Please, go ahead. Buon appetito. Enjoy it.
Wow, it's super good, super tasty. Amazing.